Welcome, future scientists. Today, we're about to take an exciting journey inside our own bodies to explore one of the most fascinating systems that keeps us alive and organized every day, the digestive system. Did you know that your digestive system is constantly working to break down food and turn it into energy? It's a complex but amazing process. We'll explore it in four main stages: ingestion, digestion, absorption, and elimination. Get ready to find out how food travels through your body and fuels everything you do. Let's jump right in. Our journey begins with ingestion, the very first stage of digestion. This is when food enters your mouth, but there is more happening in your mouth than meets the eye. As you take a bite, your teeth get to work breaking the food into smaller pieces in a process called mechanical digestion. At the same time, chemical digestion starts in your mouth with the help of saliva. Saliva contains enzymes that begin breaking down starches into sugars. So, even before the food reaches your stomach, your body is already hard at work processing it. Next, after swallowing, your food travels down the esophagus, a long muscular tube that connects your mouth to your stomach. This tube uses a series of muscle contractions that is called peristalsis to push the food down. Once the food reaches your stomach, the second stage of digestion really begins. The stomach, which is a bag of muscle, shrinks the food and mixes it with the strong acids. Those are called stomach acids, and enzymes also are present. These juices help break down food, especially the proteins, were broken into smaller pieces. Here is a fun fact. You know that the acid in your stomach is strong enough to dissolve metal? Yeah, it is. But the stomach doesn't do all the work by itself. It has some important helpers around it: liver, gallbladder, and pancreas. These organs produce digestive juices also that help break down fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. The liver produces bile, which is stored in the gallbladder and released into the small intestine to digest the fats. The pancreas also produces digestive enzyme that is called pancreatic juices that digest proteins and carbohydrates, but mainly carbs. Together, these processes make sure that the food is broken down and making it easier for your body to absorb the digested nutrient. Now, the magic will happen. It's time for absorption, one of the most important stages in the digestive process. This process happens in the small intestine, which is a coiled tube about 20 feet long. You know that the inner surface of the small intestine is covered with tiny finger-like projection that is called villi, which help absorb the nutrients from the digested food and pass it to your bloodstream to travel to each and every single cell. Yes, it did. Finally, all the useful nutrients have been absorbed. We move to the last stage, elimination. Any leftover material, stuff that your body doesn't need, move into the large intestine, which absorbs water and turns the waste into solid stool. You know, the large intestine is shorter than the small intestine, but it plays an important role in getting rid of waste products. Once the waste is formed into stool, it's passed out of your body through the rectum and anus. This stage ensures that your body is free from any indigestible or unnecessary materials. Here is a fun fact. You know that the food journey inside the entire digestive system, from ingestion to elimination, can take anywhere from 24 to 72 hours. Yes, depending on the type of food you eat. That means digestion can be quick or slow, depending on how complex the food is. And that's the incredible journey of food through your body. From the moment you take a bite, your digestive system is working hard to break down food, absorb nutrients, and eliminate waste, ensuring that your body stays healthy and full of energy. Each stage, from ingestion, digestion, absorption, and elimination, plays a vital role in keeping you strong and energized. And never forget, keep exploring, stay curious, and remember, science is all around you. See you next.